27?
Basically being a pay to win. Legend 27, man.
Who that?
Who that is?
You have not heard of the Legend 27?
Nah. Who that?
People
them
say he's
is-
still playing Clash of Clans.
That game, by the way.
Oh yeah, I used to play that game quite a bit.
It's probably still more alive than Overwatch.
Oof.
Yeah.
I mean, it has microtransactions. Keeps the game alive.
Are we not setting
Let's
up
get
up
down here
high?
now.
I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure about this.
Oh, damn.
I feel like normally if you
No,
set
I
up
don't
up
know.
high-
I don't know. Yeah, let's just set up here on top. Let's just set up here on top.
Just for
Nice. I've seen that. Try to put it like here next time.
Turret?
Yeah, I wanted
Yeah,
to, but it bounced off the edge.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Any
Like I hit the
Ferris?
corner.
No, but try to put it like
So I heard
this
someone
edge.
hack somewhere on the left.
Nice, that's fine.
Oh, that Widow?
Yeah.
They're attacking my
They're,
turret.
they're like
Watch out! Don't feed!
they're like triple.
All DPS.
There's a
There's a
Genji,
hog.
a Genji far left.
Alright, drop.
Can you pull that hog?
We're dropping. We're
drop.
dropping that.
I'm dropping.
Healing orb.
Yeah.
Genji behind. Tracer behind. Back
Shield
left.
somewhere! Shield up!
I'm blocking the right side.
Sombra.
They're gonna be
no
attacking
hack.
us left.
Genji still
Genji behind
back
still.
left.
I need
Can you
more.
shield here? Can you shield here in this
Tracer
corner?
up top.
Just shield here in this corner.
Roll
Nice,
hard
that's a
down.
good pick. No, the soldier guy.
Tracer's still
Watch that
behind.
widow! Watch that widow!
They're top.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
hacked.
over.
I'm hacked.
Always shield for the
Who's
widow.
that?
Always shield for the widow.
What is one? What is one?
Throw purple. Can I get taxi?
I can't even hit this because it's so small.
Oh,
They're-
never mind. No,
they're
no, no.
spawning, Yeah,
Fuck
they're
you.
spawning.
I hit her.
Just fight. What else do they have? They have
Sombra.
Oh, come on. No, we. Shit,
It's
dude.
big.
I booped him.
Nice.
Nice.
Low heals. Be careful, Orisa.
Turret.
Sombra top left. I got heals in 3. Just wait.
You need to like shield the sides.
So I can see in the back left.
Well,
He's still
I
alive.
threw it
How
out there
about heal-
because Widow
heal
was
yourself?
looking and you were
Oh
really
no!
low.
What, dude?
What in the
Yeah.
world?
Can I get taxi real quick? No, never mind. Final point. Try to charge your beat.
There's a Widow. Sombra's here.
Nice, big pick.
Chunk right.
Go for
Chunk right.
Sombra,
Widow right.
They have a jump
Just 2
down.
right. Careful.
Widow one.
Sombra's gonna EMP.
Got
Play
one.
safe.
Got 2.
Nice.
Good,
Trevor,
Dude, that was
red
fucking
shield.
insane.
big.
I need piss juice.
I'm on my way. Just
Soldier down. I'm
I
1
need healing.
HP.
Healing. Someone's in there.
Wait.
Give me a second to rearrange the shield.
All good.
I have no booster.
I need more.
Don't worry about some. No. Play point. Don't worry about
I
some.
was just using the orb.
I need more
Because
piss
even if
juice.
she's invisible, it pulls her, so you can like figure out if she's still there.
Oh shit, he's so low. The Hanzo.
They have a
Hanzo top
Doomfist
right.
now too.
Yeah.
You have Hanzo top left.
Hanzo
Sombra high ground.
top left. I'm hacked. She's gonna EMP. We need to kill her. Fast.
Healing orb. I'm healing.
Oh man.
I'm dead.
How do you guys want to deal with
EMP.
this?
Get on top of the ship, fast. Get on top of the bridge, fast. Orisa spawn? Yeah, taxi Orisa.
I'm so fat.
You have
I
4
can ult the
legs,
point.
so.
I have my
Chunk
ult.
bottom right. Widow on top.
I'm pulling her.
Back up.
Is somewhere behind us?
That's possible.
Careful, Rob. Careful.
He's so low. Angle your shield.
Sombra left.
Got her.
Nice.
I'm pulling
Widow
Widow.
top.
Soldier half.
Alright, drop next shield. Drop a next shield.
Junk right. Careful.
I'm watching right. Don't worry about that.
Okay. You don't know where the widow is?
They're pushing. They're
They're
pushing.
pushing.
Yeah,
Sombra's
drop,
pushing.
drop, 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 drop. I said drop on next shield. Come on. Split.
Good.
It's right. Junkrat tire left.
Not me.
You by yourself, Lopez?
Doom behind.
Alright.
Doom's behind on
Nice.
Mora.
Got it.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Where's
Hans is behind.
Where's Narissa? Why are
Soldier
you in
left.
there?
I was on top.
Jump
Hanzo
left,
was
jump left,
up
jump
top.
left, jump left. You by yourself, Marisa?
Nice.
I have no boost for
No,
anyone.
no more
Careful.
ults, no more ults, no more ults. We use bongos next. Get that ult fast. Yeah, charge your ult on me.
Are we
Yeah,
going
try
back up
yellow.
top?
Try yellow. Play main, Orisa.
I'm gonna play
They're
this
switching. They're
reset.
switching to regular comp. They have no visor only maybe.
They still have EMP. No ally
Now,
bubble,
watch out,
no
Hanzo.
fire strike.
Big beat.
Big
Get this
beat.
Ryan. Get this Ryan. Get this Ryan. Get this Ryan.
Ryan behind, Ryan behind, Ryan
Get this
behind.
Ryan. Get this Ryan. Get this Ryan. Get
I
this
boop,
Ryan.
boop,
Get this
boop,
Ryan.
boop, boop.
Nice. Point, guys. Point.
I got heals in one, I got heals in one.
Get the Zarya.
Mercy down, mercy
Spinning
down.
in, spinning in.
The Zarya. Nice. Get the soldier.
Soldier's one left.
Sombra down.
Orbs going.
Soldier. Back up.
Soldier still left, soldier still left.
Okay.
Get the soldier. He left. They have dragon next fight?
He's in that room. He's in that room, just hiding.
No, he left. That's fine. Back up a little bit.
Okay, fair enough.
Right here.
Ryan, they're
Bear's
gla-
on you, dude.
No ally bubble, no ally. We can go on him again.
Nice.
Pharaoh top.
Point. Break Grand Shield.
Breaking.
Fair one.
Fair's one.
Dragons from the right.
Healing.
Ryan's one.
Heal. Help. The Hanzo in the little room.
Okay, one's dead in there.
Don't die to him.
Yeah. Fuck!
Hanzo behind, guys. I've been calling. Come on.
I got the Reinhardt.
Not
Help out. Oh.
Hanzo in the
still.
back, guys. He killed everyone.
Oh, fuck. We had that.
Literally one call lost us the win right there, dude.
Oh, I'm done.
Try to back up, or die fast.
Yeah.
Back up. We need to give him this corner. Here.
I'm pulling. Okay, nothing.
Let's swap to a Doom Fist
We're
after
gonna
I die.
have
Don't.
spinning back.
Switch to Ryan.
Fair going up top. Fair
I have
one.
no tanks. Come on.
They're pushing really hard.
Who's closer to us? They need to die. Can you speed us?
Yeah.
Can you speed us?
3, 2, 1.
Get
Spinning
his
in, spinning in.
Zarya needs to die.
I booped her. I'm shattered.
Zarya needs to die. No, dude. Nice. Big. Can you hold?
Nope.
No, fuck.
Guys, pay attention to important calls, dude. Forget what you're doing. The Hanzo killed everyone there when we could have won that point.
Switching sides. Prepare to attack.
Let's go dive like we did last time. We walk onto the little hut. Sombra's gonna scout, and then we jump on a target, whoever's hacked. If a healer can die first, that'd be fine. That'd be perfect. Try to scout. Tell us like the positions.
Okay.
Are you okay with Tracer? If you want to play something else, go for it.
No, no,
If you
Tracer's
actually want to
okay
go,
for
if
me.
you want to go McCree, I won't mind because it's
No.
a flat map too. So, if you would like to go Widow, that'd be great too.
Yeah, I can play Widow actually. I'm not too bad up there.
So many targets. So
I'll see how I do. If I do bad, then I'll switch off.
All right, so let's just go mid from right side,
commences in 30 seconds.
and then walk up like little by little close to the wall to the little barn thing. And then Fitz is gonna scout it, tell us where to jump.
Wait, so we're going left side?
Oh no, right. We're going
Okay.
middle here on the right, and we're gonna like kind of stick to the right side because
Oh, okay, gotcha.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Hanzo's on the high ground on the right.
They saw you. They saw you.
Saw you?
Play close
Oh,
here.
no way.
God. Play here.
I won't.
Play here. Where? Play with Diva. Play with Diva, guys. Hello, come to Diva. I can matrix you. Just stay here. No, don't jump. Don't jump. Do you have speed? Let me know when you have speed.
They're all on the high ground.
Hanzo!
No.
Hanzo drop.
Get Zana. Get Zana. Get Zana. Nice, big. Oh, we lost healers.
Fuck. Hanzo is just getting me out.
Back up.
I need a pickup if someone can.
Just stay here. I'm gonna try to disrupt Mei. Try to hack Mei, can you?
Give me a second. Yeah, position. I can't see the Mei.
Yeah, hide there.
Where's the Mei?
I'm not sure.
I can hack the Mercy
Yeah, it's
or
up.
Ryan.
Go.
And attack, and attack.
Jump. Why didn't you jump? Ana, get Ana. Nice, that's fine.
Zarya drop!
Call target. We can't see anyone.
Zarya down, big hit.
Anna's one. In the room with me.
Resing, no heals. May, if we can.
Get the Mei.
Mercy one.
Mercy one.
Nice, get Mercy. Watch the dragon.
Mercy's one.
No healers.
Mercy's actually one.
Back up. Regroup fast. Regroup fast. Don't die, Trevor.
Yeah.
Let
Run it back. I can make you see out.
Let Lucio heal.
Wait. Charge your ult. Wait. You need to top up. Stop.
He was all by
Stop.
himself.
Oh, call it out. Zarya, get Zarya.
Where is Zarya?
Hack Ryan.
I can't. Wait.
Okay, wait. I can't. Bubbled.
Monkey ult, fast.
Hanzo left.
Hanzo left by himself.
Fuck, Hanzo got me.
Okay.
Big.
Anna could die. I got EMP here. Oh no, we're down two.
EMP now.
No, we're down two.
Oh, okay. Back up fast.
I'm going back to Ash. Better aiming with her.
Well, EMP for next behind. EMP bomb.
Yeah. I'm gonna bomb first, then you EMP.
Okay. Let me get in position.
Right.
Let him set up too.
Fuck, this Hanzo's annoying me.
They're all on the bottom.
Don't do that.
That was an accident.
Alright, speed 3. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Summer?
I'm ready.
Alright, 3. Wait, don't do it yet. Go for Hanzo. Back up. EMP. Wait, 3, 2, 1. That's fine. Good. Don't dodge your dragon. Get it right. Nice.
Hanzo's one.
May needs to die first.
Fuck, this Hanzo.
May needs to die first, guys. May
feel
is
like
way too important for them.
I feel like Hanzo has to die first because he's.
The May is way more
She was
important.
nanoed and Hanzo wasn't, and I don't do any damage to Mei when she's nanoed.
Literally, the May is carrying them, dude.
I'm taking care of you. Damage increase.
Okay. I'm slept.
Can we go? Can we touch?
I can touch.
I'm slept.
May's looking for me on point. I'm touching.
Go point, monkey.
I'm gonna die.
I'm on point.
Yeah, he just also ulted me.
Ryan pinned me.
We're so young and lose.
Shut up, dude.
I was 2 hours from so y'all can.
Play of the game. Fire at will. Double.
Alright. Good games. We had some really good games. We had some really bad ones. We have some really good games. No, we lost, but I still consider really good games.
We came closer than I thought we would.
I'm surprised about the goats, to be honest. Like, it was way better than the scrim this week. Way better.